Alright, so welcome to this course. This is the first video and I'm excited to be teaching you Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2018. This is for beginners, so if you have no idea about what Microsoft Dynamics NAV is, then this course is for you. And by the end of this course, you will have the complete overview of Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2018. So you will be learning a lot of things in this course. So let me just tell you what you will learn inside this course. So the first thing you will learn is what is Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2018 or Microsoft Dynamics NAV in general. Then we'll go through the difference between the Microsoft Dynamics NAV and Dynamics 365 for Financials. So Microsoft has released Dynamics 365 for Financials, which is the cloud version of NAV. It's a business edition. So we'll be covering what is Microsoft Dynamics NAV and how it is different from Dynamics 365 for Financials Business Edition. We'll also talk about what is the best solution to go for based on the different parameters. As a consultant, you will be able to suggest to your clients that, hey, you need to go for Dynamics NAV or Dynamics 365 for Financials. Or if you are a business owner, then you can identify that which solution is best for you. The next one is Dynamics NAV installation. So I will show you the step-by-step process to install Dynamics NAV so that you can start practicing. Then I will show you how you can master navigation inside Dynamics NAV 2018. And then we'll go into the modules overview. So first we'll talk about financial management overview. As you know, every company needs financial management. So we'll talk about the financial management overview. Then we'll go into the sales and marketing overview. So sales and marketing is also a module inside Dynamics NAV, and we'll cover the overview of that. So you will learn the process flow, and then I'm going to take you through scenario and example, and then I'll show you how you can do that inside NAV. After that, you will learn the purchasing overview. So purchasing is also a module inside NAV. Once you're done with the purchasing, the next step is to learn warehouse overview. So how to manage warehouses, how to do transfer orders, we'll be covering in warehouse overview module. The next is the manufacturing. So it's for manufacturing companies who manufacture some product, and how you can use the raw material to create a finished product. So I'm going to show you the process of manufacturing as well as show you the demo in NAV, how you can manufacture any product in NAV. The next one would be jobs and resource planning overview. You can also manage your projects and resources inside NAV. So we'll cover the jobs and resource planning. Then you will learn about the service overview. If you have sold some product and your customer needs service of that product or maintenance of that product, then you use service module. And I'll show you the step-by-step process to execute the service request inside NAV. The next thing you will learn is human resource overview. So we'll talk about what a human resource module is capable of, and I'll explain you how you can use this for your business or as a consultant. And then we'll go for the administration overview, where you will learn how to do setups to make sure that your NAV company is ready to use. And also I'll explain you rapid start services that you can use to import data in NAV. Right? And finally, we'll do course conclusion and the next steps for you to take. So this is what you will learn. I know it's a big course, so I want you to stay till the end, because after you finish this course, you will have the entire understanding of NAV. So this is about the course overview. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.